If you're not speaking to your ideal customer, you're losing out on visitors, leads, and I think most important, conversion. Today's video, I'm going to show you my prompt that I use and software to find what my ideal customer pain points are, how we can solve them, and where we place them all over the internet. Hey there, my name is Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks. Been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands. You can always learn more about me here, but I'm going to share my screen and show you the system we use, the software we use to handle every single pain point our customers have, which gets more visitors, leads, and most important, conversions. If you want this full prompt, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over. You ready? Let's dive in. All right, so I want to show you the prompt that I'll be sending you. We want to look for our customer pain points and how we should hit them. So we need to have the pain points, the solutions, the hook, and actually the copywriting to solve the pain points on all these channels. We're going to use AI to solve them. So it's going to be on your website, your landing page, your service pages, your emails, blogs, articles, video topic, ads, social media, lead magnets, everything. But we want to make it about them. We don't want to make it about you. So we use this cool software called Twinlytics where we can go in and design our ideal customer profile, find out what their pain points are, and actually create the content to tell them that we're the ones to solve them. A lot of times when we make our websites, we make it about us, not them. So what we want to do is ask AI, what are some common pain points our customers have? So if you click the link down below in the description, you can get access to the software to test it out for yourself. And it's going to show you exactly what those pain points could be for your customer. So for me, my customers, they don't follow up with their leads. They have a disorganized CRM. Maybe they don't even have a CRM. They get no-show appointments. They're overwhelmed with all the tech. They lose leads and they don't have time to actually go and implement this. So I can simply go and say, yes, tackle these pain points strategically or help me develop a tailored plan to address them. So now I know that I need to offer solutions for these pain points, automated lead follow-up, organized CRM, show-up rates, different things like that I know will solve them. Now I need to come up with the copy to actually solve them and encourage people, hey, you have this pain point, this is how we're going to help, and this is how we're going to solve it. So what we need to do is go over and we need to grab first the homepage. So what we want to do is say, hey, help me with the copywriting for my homepage to solve my customer pain points. And all you got to do is put in the prompt I gave you, fix your spelling, and hit enter. Now what it's going to do is going to research the web, and that's why I like using this software Twinlytics, because they have all of this data of my customers to use for those pain points. If you use just something like ChatGPT or any of the other softwares, they're not actually researching the internet. They're not researching all the data of the pain points of your ideal customer profile. And so now it's going to give me the exact pain points and how I'm going to solve them each stage of my website. So it's going to help me say, automate your systems for success, streamline lead generation, increase follow-up processes, save time with automation. So this is the answers to the pain points my customers have. So when you think about your customer, when they come and land on your landing page here, are you actually saying, we know your pain point, we understand your pain point, here's how we're solving it with this solution? That's what you really want to focus on with your ideal customer profile. So let's do the next one. Do the same for my landing page. Now, if you don't have a landing page yet, you should, because that's what's going to help you increase conversion rates. We always have landing pages on our website, which I'll show you here. If you go to AutomationLinks.com, you go to start here at the top. It's going to take you to a landing page. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this copywriting to solve the pain point. So we could do a lot better with this because this is all about us. And our conversion rates are pretty low on this page. What we want to do is make this about the pain point of our ideal customer and say this is the solution for that. So now we're going to go back here and we're going to take a look that here's a focused approach to developing copy on your landing pages to make sure it strongly resonates with your ideal customer pain points. That's the goal. You have to show that you understand their pain points and you have something to solve them. Automate for consistent growth. Struggling with manual processes, have tech overwhelm. So you want to start thinking of your customer, what's those pain points and how are you going to solve them? And then from there, you're going to create that lead magnet and you're going to solve them. And that's what's going to increase your open rates. So then what I want you to do is just go through every step of this, create your service pages around this, create your automated emails and newsletters around this, blogs, articles, video topics. Now, what I really like to do is starting with video topics, and I like to go over here and I like to say, what are some video topics I can make around my customer pain points and how can I help solve them? And what I call that is my pillar piece. And I'm going to reference my playlist down below that talks more about how you can use AI and pillar pieces to create that one piece of content to solve the customer pain point, and then that creates everything else from there. So what it's going to first do is going to help me come up with my 3 titles. Stop losing leads, automate your follow-up strategy today. All of my customers are losing leads. Tech overwhelm. Everyone is overwhelmed with all the tech, and automated nurturing. They know they need some automation in their life. I'm going to go create these videos here. I'm going to have my hooks, and then I'm going to really capture their attention by saying I'm solving your pain point and here's how. And then what we're going to do is take AI and we're going to go turn this into blog posts, social media posts. And I'll just go down the list of the prompt. Ads. I think ads are going to be one of the most important things if you run any ads for your business. So what are you waiting for? You're marketing more about your ideal customers and their pain points. Come up with one pillar piece like a video and turn that into social media content using AI and software like I showed today, and start implementing these systems to be the business, be the brand that's solving these pain points for your ideal customers. Is who are they going to hire? They're going to hire someone that talks about themselves. They're going to hire someone that resonates, tells a story, and relates with those pain points. So I hope this video brought you a ton of value. If it did, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about this marketing and automation follow-up stuff, you can always check out this playlist here. And thank you again for watching. I hope to see you on my next video.